Welcome back to my channel. This is another moment with me. I want us to look at laws of exponents. If you understand laws of indices, the one I taught the other time, you will be able to flow with me very well. But in case you don't understand, please carefully listen, and I would like you to go back and watch that my video on that laws of indices. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, can you hit it right now? Thank you so much. Let's move. The first law says the law anything, the laws of what? Of power, anything raised to the power of 1 is equal to what? That same figure. S raised to the power of 1, S raised to the power of 1 is equal to what? X. S raised to the power of 1 is equal to X. I want to use figure or number. Let's say 3 raised to the power of 1 is equals to what? 3, because 3 times 1 is 3. That is what it means. You are seeing 3 here, you are seeing 3 here, it's the same thing. That is number 1, right? Number 2, n s raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. It means that you are dividing x by what? X. S divided by x is the same as l raised to the power 1 divided by l raised to the power 1. Are you getting it? It's going to give you this way, S equals to what? 1. But you can also do it in another way by applying the laws of indices. When in under division law, it's going to give us S raised to the power 1 minus 1 is equals to S raised to the power 0, and it brings us back to this level. It's equals to what? 1. That is how it is. Number 3, we have s raised to the power of minus n is equals to the inverse of what you have here, raised to the power of n. X raised to the power of what? Minus n is equals to 1 divided by x raised to the power of what? N. Let's use 3 again figure to explain that. Do you get that? Yes. Let's say 3 raised to the power of 2. It's going to give us 1 divided by 3 raised to the power of 2. It's going to give us 1 over what? 9. Do you get that? Yes. So 1 over 9 is the same as what? 3 raised to the power minus 2. Guess I want to use number in this one. I can decide to say, this number 2 rather, I can decide to say 3 raised to the power of 0 is equal to what? 1. It's the same as what? 3 divided by what? 3. 3 divided by 3. Okay, do you get that? Let's move to what? Number 4. Number 4. I'm using numbers after the letters so that you'll be able to get it clearly. Number 4, we have open bracket s raised to the power of m, close bracket raised to the power of n. Now, when you have it this way, you multiply the power inside the bracket by the one outside the bracket. Now, x is the same as s raised to the power of m, n. Let's use figure. We have 3 raised to the power of 2 brackets. We're going to have it what? 3 raised to the power of what? 6. Because 2 times 3 is 6. That is what we are saying. Now we move to what? Number 5. X divided by y, open close bracket, raised to the power of n. It means everything, the power affects both the numerator and the denominator. So s raised to the power of n divided by y raised to the power of n. So we are going to have it this way. Let's write number 5. X divided by y is the same as x. That is just it. So for instance, we want to use number, we can say, let's say 2 divided by 4, bracket, power of 2. So we are going to have it this way as 2 square divided by what? 4 square. Do you understand that? So 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16. So that is what it's going to give you. So the square affects the numbers inside. It's not just for one, it's not just for numerator or denominator, it's for both of them, for the whole fraction. Okay, you get that? Thank you. So we're moving to the last one that is not even the least. Last but not the least. X, Y. Open and close bracket, raise to the power of n. N, right? Yes. So what are we going to do? What are we going to do? It affects everything just like we have in number 5. So it's the same as x raised to power m and y raised to power m. What if we decide to use figure? We can now say 3b or 3b and multiply by 4y raised to power 2. Raised to power 2, yes. Let's put it this way. Now, it's going to be 3b squared multiplied by 4y squared. Do you get that? As simple as it is. As simple as it is. This is how it works. Thanks for watching. In case you have not clicked on subscribe button, I want you to hit it right now. It's very simple. And I also want you to rewatch it from the beginning. You will now get the clearer picture. The more you watch, the more you understand. Thanks for visiting my channel.